Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing a tutorial on touching up my roots because they need to be touched up, and my hair girl is not feeling very well. She might be out of commission for a little bit, so yeah. So here we go. And first things first, I am going to section my hair into 4 parts. This is so cute. I would totally rock this. So I've got it into as equal of 4 section parts as I possibly could. And now I'm gonna get ready to mix my products. Today I'm going to be using Titan Red Blonde by Wella. And I'm going to be using 20 volume developer. I went ahead and did just a lot of research online before I went ahead and did this. I am not a licensed cosmetologist by any means, just knowledge I've learned around the way over time and through watching other videos. And so obviously follow directions on the back, and I believe it's supposed to be 2 parts developer, 1 part color. Let's see. Yep, pour 2 parts developer in a bowl first, then 1 part of the color cream. So let's go ahead and get started. I just went ahead and bought a shampoo cape. I don't really care if this gets messed up by any of the hair dye. It shouldn't, because I'm not like bleaching or anything, but here we go. I'm just kidding. I'm Shayna from around the way. So now that I've got my cape on, I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to mix my products. Also, before you get started, if you want to make sure that you get all of your product out of your tube, go ahead and get you a Colortrak little tool here, and so that way as you're squeezing it out, you're getting every little ounce of that product. And just before I mix everything, just to give you a quick demonstration, you can use this tool. It's really easy to slip on. You just slip it onto your tube all the way, if it'll let me, and then you just start to twist down. It's perfect. So now that I've got my developer and my color in here, I have mixed 3 parts developer, 1.5 parts cream color, and I'm gonna go ahead and start mixing it. Okay, so now that I have my color in my bowl and I'm ready to roll, I am going to start in the front quadrants first, and then I'm going to work my way back. I'm going to start with my new growth. Once I've got all my new growth covered, then I will go ahead and cover the rest. So follow along. You know, I have been sick as a dog. Now that I've got it all applied, I'm gonna let it sit for like 30 minutes and clean up all of the places the dye's touched. I just picked up these cleanup wipes from Sally's, which is where I got all of my supplies from at some point or another. And yeah, so I'm gonna go let this sit. I'm gonna go wash it, and then you can style it with me. Okay, so now I've washed it. Before I go to style it, I did use this post color treatment on my hair, and let's get started. Before I style it, I am gonna go ahead and use this IGK Good Behavior 4-in-1 prep spray, and I might use a little bit of this Blowout Balm. I just like how it helps my flyaways towards the top of my head. And so yeah, and then I'm going to straighten it. Nothing crazy today. So just take this gonna make sure it gets to my ends, both sides. And then I usually just work it in, scratch it in there, because who doesn't love head scratches? I have a feeling this color is going to be super vibrant. And literally, you know, they say less is more. And in this balm, that is the truth. Like, I'm probably going to use the size of a dime. If you use too much of this product, it will definitely make your hair feel thicker for sure, but I feel like it makes my hair feel oily. So I'm just going to kind of massage it in the top here. So as I blow dry my hair and when I straighten it, it won't be super frizzy. And I usually wash my hair like every 3 to 4 days. I try to anyways, unless I'm doing something gnarly, then I'll go ahead and wash it. So yeah, now I'm gonna go blow dry it. Now it is all blow dried, and now I'm gonna go ahead and straighten it. Where is my thingy? My husband hates that word, thingy, but I can literally call anything a thingy. How do you guys think I did? I think it blended extremely well. I'm really proud of myself. I mean, seriously. Because I was expecting some banding or, you know, hot spots. It looks really even overall. So now I'm going to straighten it. Well, this is the final look. What do you think?